Alright guys, ModelRocks321 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are flying some fun stuff. We got 3 random rockets. We're going to start off with the Silver Comet. This is a, mid to early 2000s rocket. You can get these. They're still around. They pop up once in a while. I think the value's up on them kind of. People like this design. Pretty fun rocket. So we're going to be flying this. But before we do that also guys, be sure to check out discount code IN_321 at Estes Rockets. Save when you go buy some stuff. Use that code. Put that code in and get yourself a nice discount. Tell them I sent you. Drop a comment. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, all that stuff. Hype the video if you see the hype button. And yeah, check back for more. I got tons of videos in the archives. You can check all kind of launches, everything. Mishaps, misfires, crashes, all that stuff happened here. So we're going to do it guys. ModelRocks321 flying the Silver Comet. Stay tuned for 2 more after this one. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Silver Comet. We are going on a D12-3. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hauling up there on the D12-3. And we got parachute. That parachute tangled. I don't know. It's hard to tell right now. It lays twirling around. It's coming down though. Might go in the sun, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Coming down. Silver Comet, come on. Yeah, he's out. He's out. Coming down fairly close to us. Nice. Very close to us. Silver Comet. Like I said, guys, you could get these still. They're out of production. They pop up once in a while on eBay and stuff like that. But fun, stable rocket. Boat tail design. Cool. And here he is. Silver Comet. All the fins. Yeah, these are sturdy. Like I was saying, this is a boat tail design. I think this is from the V2 if I'm not mistaken. The cone was a new cone. The cone was new. I don't remember seeing that on any other rocket. But yeah, so here we have parachute unflipped inside out. I hate when that happens. Yeah, there we go. Get that. Yeah, so there we have it, guys. Nice first flight, Silver Comet. So stay tuned. We're gonna do some more of this fun action. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Share the videos and all. All right, guys. Next up, we got what I call the junk rocket. This is the rocket that I made from all just found parts. Fins made out of like a cookie thing that held a cookie you get from Sprouts Market. 2 Dixie cups from your bathroom, a piece of foam. These 2 rolls right here are paper towel rolls. Straw for the launch lug, regular cardboard. Just regular everyday stuff, just trash pretty much, and I made this rocket. But we're gonna be sending this up on a C63 right now. Let's see how it goes. I already got 2 flights. I'm trying to get 50 flights. There's 2 right there, so from previous launches. So hopefully if this all goes well, this will be number 3. So let's get it. All right, here we go. We got the junk rocket going on a C65, I believe, on C65 or 3, one of them. And we are going in T-5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is, nice and straight. Junk rocket, and parachute is out. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rocket, scratch built from trash pretty much. And if it stays close to me, I'll catch it, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna catch it. I'm not gonna run for it, but it gotta survive on its own. There we go, touchdown, the junk rocket. Very nice, stable flight. Very good, cool. And those are through the wall fins. Oh, look at the little drag marks, nice, I like it, a little drag. And then we got parachute and rocket, cool, perfect, I'll take it. Yeah, like I said, these are through the wall fins, so I expected it to be good. And ModelRocks321 stickers are available. Check the link below to the website. You can get some stickers and stuff like that. I got other stuff on there, but you know, cool. That was nice. Cool. The junk rocket survived. I got a Mark 3 on that fin right there. Cool, guys. I like that. I like that. Nice flight. That was a very stable flight. Super stable rocket. Scratch built. I did that. 3, 2, 1 here, guys. We'll be back. Stay tuned for the next flight. You'll like this next one. And I'm out. All right, guys. Last but not least, we got the world famous Big Bertha coming up, going on a C65. I think this is a great starter rocket if you're just getting into the hobby. I think the Big Bertha is excellent. It's 2 feet tall. Don't look like it, but it's 2 feet tall. Can fly it in, football fields and stuff on calm days. They can go pretty high, so slow lift off, they say, especially on a B, A and B engines give you a nice slow lift off. C's a little fast, I think. Yeah, they get up there pretty quick. But anyway, the Big Bertha is coming up next, final launch of the day, so let's check it out. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. We got the Big Bertha going on a C65. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Classic Big Bertha. And we have parachute out. Perfect situation. That's what you want right there. Nice. Staying close to us. It looks like it's going to be right back to us. I mean, probably get a little more drift, but it's good right now. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Where you at? There it is. Nice. Big Bertha. Coming on home. I'm zooming wrong, guys. Sorry about that. And touchdown. Right there, very close. Good deal. I will take it. The Big Bertha. Success. Like I said, that's one that I think is a great first rocket. If you're just getting into it, you got a few, and you want to get another one. Big Bertha is always a great choice if they're still available. They still producing these. I think they are. I think SD still got these. Speaking of SDs, IN_321. Drop that code. Fill your shopping cart at sdsrockets.com. Put that code in and watch a discount happen. Simple as that. I wish it could be used multiple times, but they won't allow that right now. Maybe they'll loosen up one day, but all good, all love. So there we go, guys. That's the Big Bertha. This is the final launch of the day. Perfection. Perfect design, perfect rocket. Shout out to Mr. Vern, the legendary man who created, one of the creators in this great hobby that we all enjoy, for bringing forth the Big Bertha, the mighty Big Bertha. You can also get a bigger, upscale version of the Big Bertha. They're out there. I don't know if they're being produced right now, but you can find them. You can find them. Catch you guys on the debriefing. We will go over these launches of the day. Hope you enjoyed it. This is a perfect day. Hey, I'll take that. That was a perfect 5 day. No damages, no nothing. Everything was cool. Nice. 3, 2, 1, and we are out, y'all. One love. Okay, today's launch. You saw 3. You saw the Silver Comet. Estes Silver Comet from the early mid-2000s. You saw my junk rocket. This is its 3rd flight. Pretty successful. Pretty successful. I got a mark on the fin. I've been doing this little thing where I'm gonna mark on the fin right there. Every flight. I'm trying to get 50 flights out of this, if it'll last. I'm not sure if it's going to survive. I'm trying to find a marker. I'm not sure if it's going to survive 50 flights, but I'm going to try. I want to see. I'm going to keep repairing it and repairing it. So that is 3. So that's 3 flights. I'm just keep adding a tick mark for every flight. But yeah, it was a great day. So flew those, and also flew the legendary Big Bertha. You saw that guy go. This is a great, super stable rocket. Perfect. Everything was perfect. That was a textbook launch. This was textbook. All 3 of these were great flights. Silver Comet on a D12-3, ripped off the pad, got up there really good. Parachute came out nice, no damage. Everything came on home to perfection. So I'll take it. I'll take that all day long. That was a very nice flight of the Silver Comet. Super cool rocket, super stable. Again, no issues at all. My junk rocket, as mentioned, made from all trash. Just started a little bag at home. Just start putting stuff in there that I could use to build a rocket. Built up everything. Let me get this motor out here. This friction fit. I had tape around the edge of it. It was on a C65, which sent it up there really nice. I think I'm going to continue to use C65s on this one. Just use the bare necessities. Piece of cardboard, straw. It's a little silver type cardboard piece. Sprouts chocolate chip cookie go on there. I explained all of that. Even the centering rings were built from cardboard. Even made the motor mount tube. And here I have Dixie cup bathroom plastic cups for the nose cone, piece of foam for the end. There's some, what kind of nose weight? You think I used some clay in there for nose weight, piece of wood. There's a little bulkhead right there. It wasn't Estee's parachute because I did have an air parachute built, but it got too shredded, so I switched that out. But everything else is a jump rocket scratch build, and it's still going. I can hear either some dirt or some engine dust in there. And got the Model Rocks 321 sticker there, so that was the jump rocket. And last but not least, I already spoke about this one, Big Bertha. What more can I say? Classic rocket, been around forever. Vern Estes developed this, designed it. It's 2 feet tall, super stable, nice vintage look to it. I just did mine with this look. This was the version that came out that was all black. I just did my thing with some of these vents and things like that. So that's all we got, guys. Today was a great day. Great day. Not much more I can say. It was a successful flight day. Silver Comet, Junk Rocket, Big Bertha. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will say it again, June 6th, 2026. Stay tuned. Something is brewing. Something is coming. June 2026, 2026. Catch you guys on another video. That was your debriefing for the day. Model Rockets 321. Subscribe.